Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna explain you how to share your location with your iPhone. First, make sure the location service is enabled. Go to the settings and switch on if needed. You can share your location over WhatsApp. Go to the WhatsApp chat of the person you want to share your location with. Click on the sharing button and then choose whether to share the location at the moment or a live location for either 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. Another way is to download and open the Find My app. Select the People tab in the bottom left. Tap the Add button and select Share My Location. Enter the name or phone number of the person that you want to share your location with. Select Send. Choose to share your location for 1 hour until the end of day or share indefinitely. However, be always sure about with whom you're sharing your locations. Stay safe, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.